What's going on, guys? Steve Blake here. We're back with another video. Some things that I picked up, an awesome gift from eBay, and also a little pickup where I was like the guinea pig as to whether or not these are good. You might remember my Pagal Air Force One review where I said they fit a little big. I bought these like crease protectors from Amazon. They were $6.99. Now the listing said it was for $6. I only got 4. I don't know if that was a mistake, but even for 4, it was a really good price. I put them in the insole of this. And now this shoe that fit about a half size big fits perfect. So that little sneaker thing that I picked up, I honestly, it's like a white label brand. They don't have a name. I'll link it down below in the description. If you do have that problem where, you know, you're buying secondhand sneakers or you need a sneaker that's like a little bit too big, or with Jordan 1s, especially if you don't want them to crease, etc. These are dope. That's a little plug. Posted that deal on Kickstarter costs, and a lot of you guys bought them. I bought them myself, so just want to make sure that they're good. Now, I guess we'll start with the neighborhood pickup. Now, if you've been a fan of my channel for a while, you've seen a lot of neighborhood incense chambers. I had a Booze Crow one that I actually have sitting in this drawer. Now, it's in a drawer because the cat knocked it over, and these are made of ceramic, and it just exploded into a million pieces. So I'm trying to find someone. In Japan, there's a technique where they kind of take, I think, broken pottery, and they meld it together with either silver or gold. I'll figure out what the term is. I don't know what it is offhand, but I think that would be dope to do to that piece. So I've kept all the pieces together. It's just like, good luck finding someone that does that. So we have this incense chamber. This was bought from Union, LA. A little bit bigger than I thought it would be, and they were 50% off, which is under cost. These, I think, were about $250, so imported. They're about $135 from Japan. Super excited to pick them up for $120 shipped to my house. So how they work is you put your little incense down here, and then the smoke will billow out through the mouth and everything like that. So these are great. I just love having these in the house. This is one that I use all the time. This is also from Neighborhood. This was with Complex Con, one of the exclusives. So I love these. If you can find them under retail and you want something that's like a nice little like piece for on your house or coffee table that you can actually use, Neighborhood is the best, and under retail or under cost, you can't go wrong with these in my opinion. All right, now on to eBay. Now eBay did not send these to me because I have a sneaker channel. They sent them to me because kicks under cost and clothes under cost kill it for them with driving sales and traffic. So they didn't ask me to do a video, so this is not a sponsored video, but if you do want to check out kicks or clothes under cost on Twitter or the website, eBay's been doing a lot of restocking events with Stadium Goods, so they release a shoe that kind of has sold out for retail. My understanding is they have one coming up for the Fire Red 5, so if you want to have that information, just follow the account on Twitter. If you don't use Twitter for anything else, it's easy just to make an account and then get those notifications pushed to your phone if you are looking for sneaker and clothing deals. So they sent a Jordan 1. Now, they sent my buddy Ivan the same pair as me. I talked to Hess this morning at Hess Kicks. He didn't tell me what pair he got, but he said he got a different one. I knew right away from the paper. It took me back to my like SB days. I remember they had this paper in like the Levi's Nike SB collab, like some of the earlier times I remember camping for stuff, back when like honestly no one cared about SBs. So to see everyone kind of like blow up over them is a little funny, but I think these are the Chicago to LA or New York. I know the other, I think it was New York to Paris was the other one. These are pretty cool. They actually wear away underneath, which is great. And like the Lance Mountains, where they all kind of have that destructive quality to them because they're meant to be skated in. And when people skate in them, they'll unveil kind of like the under layers of this sneaker. I'm not going to be caught dead on a skateboard. I like them because they're Jordan 1s. Of course, Jordan 1s have a nice, rich history with skateboarding going back to like the Bones Brigade in like the mid 80s, I guess. So for them to pay homage to it is dope. It's a collaboration that in my mind makes sense, but the SB part of this, you know, they don't have the tongue's the same as a normal Jordan, so they didn't really go all out with padding it or anything like that. It's just a great colorway. And like I said, I've been buying a lot of Jordan 1s. For them to kind of send this out spontaneously is dope. So thank you guys for that. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Let me know what you guys thought. Hope you guys are staying safe, sane, and healthy at home, or if you're still working, best of luck to you guys. T Blake signing out. I'll catch you guys soon. Peace.